Welcome to OctetSciAcademy. Today's topic is on metals, metalloids, and non-metals. By the end of this video, you will be able to explain what metals are and their physical properties, the same with metalloids and non-metals. Now, the periodic table has elements classified into metals, non-metals, and non-metals, and metalloids based on their properties. Now, the pink part of this periodic table shows the metals, the light green section shows the metalloids, while the green section of this periodic table shows where the non-metals are. So we start with metals. Metals are elements that lose electron easily. They are lustrous, malleable, and can be molded into different shapes, like the kind of metals here that is shaped to write the metals in this video. Now, in the periodic table, there are 5 different categories of metals. We have alkaline metals, alkaline earth metal, transition metals, the lactonite, and lastly, of course, the actinide. Now, these 5 categories are the metals in the periodic table. Properties of metal. Metals are good conductors of heat and electricity. Cooking utensils and other metals used at home are made from different metals. They are also good conductor of heat. Metals are ductile, that is, they have the ability to be drawn into wires. Coupled with their durability, find application as in cable wire and for soldering purposes. Metals have the quality of reflecting light from their surfaces and can be polished, like the video shows a metal bar shining brightly and reflecting light. Now, metals have this property which makes them unique. Now, another properties of metals, they can be shaped, beaten into different sheets to have different shapes. Now, this video shows different metals in different shapes and sizes. That's one unique property of metals. Now, metals also are sonorous. They produce a deep or ringing sound when struck with another hard object. Mostly they are hard and only few are soft, e.g. sodium. Metalloids. They are defined as chemical elements whose physical and chemical properties fall in between the metals and the non-metals. So they are in between metals and non-metal. And we have this major 7 categories that makes up the metalloids. Properties of metalloids: they are solid, they have low elasticity, they are brittle, they are semiconductive, they are ductile, just like metals, they are malleable, and they have the ability to form alloys. So their properties is like a combination of metals and non-metals. Non-metals are elements that tend to gain electrons to form anions during chemical reaction. So they can be gases, liquid, or solid. So we have some examples of non-metals here. Oxygen, there's a sulfur, and then potassium. Properties of non-metals: they are non-malleable and ductile. They are very brittle and cannot be doubled into wire. They are poor conductor. They have no metallic luster. They don't shine. And their melting point is way below that of metals. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube at OctetSciAcademy. And please share with your loved one. Bye for now.